make peace, not war. What is peace? Based in Wikipedia and some dictionaries, peace occurs between groups or individuals that is characterized by a lack of conflict and freedom from fear of violence. Peace is just a single word, but it is powerful. We all feel safe every time there is peace. Some people want to be alone so that they will experience peace because there's no one to argue with. Right now in our world, there's a lot of problems that people experience in everyday life. There are even bigger conflicts like the problem between Philippines and China and the war in Syria. We all know what is happening to Syria and the people living in that country because of the news we see. People who live there are all scared and in terror. War is not a solution to a conflict. It will only get worse. There are so many reasons not to use force or violence in resolving conflict. War is not the best solution. If both sides can solve the problem peacefully, it's a win-win situation between them. It can also improve the relationship of both group or individual, and peace can make people have a good heart. It's a win-win situation between both sides because there are no lives will be taken. If they use force to solve it, the soldiers or even the people who are not involved will put their life on risk. There will also be no destruction of structures or buildings or even the place where the war took place. There will also no money to spend in repairing things that has been destroyed. Having peace talk will improve the relationship of both sides. If they agree to solve it peacefully, there's a big probability that good things between both sides will happen. There will be like partnership to improve each other, or if someone gets into a tough situation, they won't hesitate to help each other to rise up again. Peace can make people have a good heart. Before, if you hate someone, it's like you don't want to talk to them or you don't want to see them. Every time you see the one you hate, our heart can be covered by hatred. But if we can solve our problem peacefully, we can free our hearts. We feel good after we solve the problem peacefully and not using force. We feel light and free from hatred. I believe every problem or conflict can be solved in a peaceful way. It's the best and the easiest way to resolve a conflict. If our world can just be free from war, our world is a lot better. Imagine it, a world without war. Every country might help each other to improve because there are no boundaries.